So weather-wise today, it's nice. So if you're walking, biking, Ubering, not really looking at much in the way of any inclement weather across the state. Chance for a few spotty storms down to our southern mountains, but for the most part, nice and dry. That's our radar and satellite this morning. Temperatures outside were in the 40s and 50s now into the mountains, mid 60s across the western slope and low 60s downtown. By 4 o'clock, though, this afternoon, we'll see a nice warm up near 90 degrees in Denver down into Highlands Ranch, Parker and Castle Rock in the mid to upper 80s, then 70s into Allens Park and Estes Park. Futurecast showing how we get there hour by hour throughout this Saturday. It's going to be nice, dry, whatever activities you want to do outside. It's looking very pleasant for them through much of the morning hours. By 10:30, we'll be in the low 70s downtown and then upper 70s across the plains. 2 o'clock this afternoon, a few clouds increase into higher elevations, mainly in our central and southern mountains down into Gunnison. Slight chance for a few late day storms, mainly at higher elevations. Just some scattered shower and storm activity, not looking at much in the way of real inclement weather. By 4 o'clock, though, still clear skies up and down the I-25 corridor and east. And for the most part, that mountain activity will stay further down to the south, not really looking into our northern and central Front Range foothills. Fort Collins will be at 88 through midday. We'll see mostly clear skies overnight, and early tomorrow morning will be in the low 60s. Tomorrow as well, it's going to be a lot hotter than what we're expecting today. Our temperatures will gradually rise by 1 o'clock to the upper 80s. 3, 4 o'clock, though, as you can see up through Greeley and Fort Collins, we could be hitting the mid to even upper 90s, so potentially could be seeing some record-breaking conditions tomorrow. But for early tomorrow morning, it'll be nice and mild, upper 50s to low 60s across the Front Range and Plains. Akron will be at 62 early, and then by tomorrow afternoon, 95s are expected high out at the airport. Greeley and Fort Collins both looking at 97. Longmont really hot near 98 degrees. Could be a nice day maybe to head west to escape some of that heat. So this Labor Day weekend overall looking really, really pleasant. A great end to summer. I know a lot of pools will close after Labor Day, so could get out and enjoy that one last time depending on your neighborhood. By Monday, we'll see mostly sunny skies through the first half of the day. Increasing cloud coverage, and again, it's that late Colorado chance of storms in the afternoon and early evening hours. We're not looking at much in the way of real heavy rain, but we'll keep an eye on exactly what that looks like through Labor Day here on Denver 7. Tuesday, we're looking at a cold front to impact the state, so temperatures will drop back down to the mid 70s. By Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, a gradual warm up as we'll see some more warmer weather to end the week. With those temperatures, though, as you can see, overnight will be a bit cooler, so we'll start our mornings in the low 50s through Wednesday, and then for the most part, it seems like a really appropriate end to summer with the 90s.
I know, it's coming to an end. Pretty crazy how quickly that came. Fall's nice, though.
It is, especially when the leaves change in the mountains. Well, one of my favorite times of year.
Starting to change a little bit in some neighborhoods I've seen.
Yeah, and also peak, though, will reach kind of end of September. So I'm sure we'll get a lot of pictures from you guys, too, which will be awesome to see.